Buddy, Lord Big Pancake here, and today we are playing Flood Escape with Alpha Shotgun Gaming and Build. Say hello. Say hello.
Hello.
Okay, there he said. He said hello. Okay, so this is a high lag Roblox game, but anyways, let's get going. You're gonna have to turn that volume down.
No, easy.
I'm fine.
No.
Let's play medium.
No, hard. Fine, medium.
Whoa, sorry. I made it. Okay.
Alright. Escape the
You get that.
I hate this. I'm stupid.
Whoa, there's a door right there. Oh crap, we're dead. We're dead. I'm dead.
You're dead.
Yeah, you're
no,
dead
I'm
too.
dead. I'm dead. I'm dead.
You're dead?
That map sucks. That map sucks, boss X. Hey, look, I got 1 point.
What he said.
Alright, let's play hard. It has better maps.
Okay.
Got my need. Alright.
By the way, I'm pretty sure I mentioned this. This is Flood Escape. What the hell? Hey, are you in the same place that I am?
Yeah, I love this. Yep.
Oh, there we go.
That's fun.
The room didn't load. Dude, you're gonna have to watch this video to find out what the heck happened there. Oh crap.
Yeah, I'm
Go on without me, man. I'm dead.
No, Christian. Oh crap, failure. Okay.
You're dead.
No.
Obviously, we suck at medium mode, so let's go to easy mode. Let's take it to easy mode, man.
Let's try.
We're doing easy mode. What the
Come
hell?
on. We're going in here.
You really do love your whatever mode this is.
Where's the button? Oh, there's a button.
Back here.
No, we're dead. I hate easy mode. Why is hard easier than medium?
You're going through here.
Alright.
Yes, there's a button. You're dead? Well, I think I'm dead too. If I can just make it across there. Okay, I think I have enough time. Ah, crap. Well, it was worth the jump. Okay. Apparently, we lost on the whole.
You see this?
Mode.
You see this? Look at it. Let's eat him.
Oh, you changed your look.
Alright.
Okay, easy mode. No, easy mode.
Boop.
What the heck?
Fine, easy mode. I can't. No, I can't get out.
Oh crap, there's a dog with us.
Crap, you really should too. Alright, come on.
Okay.
No, you can't miss stuff like that.
Help.
Sure, it doesn't help. Flailing your arms around.
This jumping
I'm
thing
sure that would.
does not agree with me.
Just stupid. It's plain old stupid. Why? Oh,
Hey,
wait,
how'd I
press
beat
the button.
you getting up here?
You can make it, right? Nope, I can't.
Hurry up. Dude, get to that ladder. Get to that ladder. All you have to do is jump from that ladder to there. Hurry up. Come on. You can make it.
No!
Okay, fine. Don't make it then.
What? I hate Robloxians. They have like no look. You know what? Okay.
Me and Colin died.
You guys.
Take that mask off, mister.
No, I want to stab you now. I want to stab you too, not just your brother. Alright, medium. I'm gonna eat him for breakfast, and then pump him with a scare face on. crap. Why is is there already water up here? Can't even see. Help me. Everything.
Ah! I'm going to die.
Somebody press the button. I'll press the button. Press the other button.
Okay, I'm gonna press that button. You guys escape. Go and tell my tale to my kids.
Come over here.
I don't have any kids yet. Okay, we
Get
can
out
do
of
this.
the way.
We
No.
can do this.
Oh, wait.
Oh crap, there's a button.
I won't press
You
this
hit
button.
that button. I'll hit this button.
Don't do it.
Okay.
Press the button. Well,
I got
that
the
was
button.
worthless.
No, don't climb up that ladder, it's a dead end.
Why is there already water up here? Are you seeing it? No, Colin!
Oh no! The dog.
Colin kicked me off.
Yep, the dog is evil. Okay, I just left him for
Don't
dead.
let him move about his throat, please.
Oh dang it, he escaped the endless pit.
I'm Will Smith.
You are? I have some of your money.
I'm Will Smith.
Okay. I might actually make this. I might actually win. If I win this, I'm going to be forever grateful. Just kidding. I'm going to never be grateful. Oh no, the doggy can't make it. The doggy can't make it.
Yeah.
The doggy can't make it. Or I'm lagging really bad. Okay, I was lagging really bad. There we go. There we go. Okay. I beat
Is
it.
the flood sorted? Yeah.
I escaped.
Yay.
Yay! We are reunited. Okay, come on.
Did Colin die? Oh, Colin's not
Are
even
we going
here.
into medium mode?
You know he killed me, right?
Yeah, I know he killed you.
Oh, this map. Alright, you know everything to do.
I don't
'cause
like
you
this
just played
map.
it. Press the button.
Ah, crap. Can you press the
What just
button?
happened?
Are you gonna press the button? You just died.
You know I'm dead.
Yep. I think that you should try out the easy mode while I beat the medium mode.
Okay.
Might get some practice. Okay. I can do this. Unknown order. Actually, I think I know the order. But it's raising.
Shut up, Emma.
Ah, crap.
Smack your face.
Well, I'm dead. It didn't give me enough time to beat it.
What?
Huh?
Easy mode sucks boss axe. Easy mode. I
Yep.
can't
I just saw you die.
Alright, let's play medium. Oh, your brother's back. I thought he left for good.
Yeah, me too.
Alright, let's play. Woo! Any of you want to choose a map? Personally, I think it's a waste of 3 Robux, but...
Ah, crud.
Hey,
Ah,
kid.
that's it. This map is hard.
Oh, no. Alright,
Are
guys,
you dead
come on.
already? Oh, you're not dead?
If you didn't die, I'll kill you. Wait, what?
Yeah. Oh, wait. I realized why you were... No, I'm like... Wait, what? If you die, I'll kill you. That's what you should put in your wall of quotes. You should put that in your wall of quotes. If you die, I'll kill you.
No, I can't go on without you, Christian.
I can make it. I've played Flood Escape plenty of times. Okay,
Continue on.
let's go. Am I the only person that this map is making my brain hurt? Ah, screw this.
Your brother's on the same internet. Do you realize that?
He is? Oh, he hasn't died yet.
You know what? We can't even
Guys,
make it.
the ladder's back here. Get to the ladder. Well, you guys are dead.
I hate you, Colin. Tell him that.
Ah, crap, I died. Well, everybody, this has been Flood Escape, and I am the only one who has actually managed to escape a flood. But anyways, thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. Leave a like, a comment, or subscribe if you're feeling awesome. So, goodbye.